Hey everyone, welcome back to Taste of Teranga. Today I'm making crispy homemade akara, a delicious African bean fritter that's perfect for breakfast or snacks. For the ingredients, we need black eyed peas, already soaked and skin removed. Mix it of seasoning like garlic, black pepper, salt, persil, and many other spices, onions, habanero pepper, red pepper, and green pepper. Alright guys, I start by adding all the ingredients into a blender, then blend until smooth. As you see, I'm not adding any garlic into my mixture because my seasoning already had some garlic, so I don't need it here. But if you want, you can add some garlic into your mixture and still have it into your seasoning. That's completely fine. Now let's pour the black eyed peas with water into the blender. It's going to help us get a smooth batter. Now I'm going to pour the mixture into a bowl just like this. Then add the dry yes that I already mixed with water. That's completely optional. Add some seasoning and a little bit flour. That's optional too. It was a secret, but not anymore. Mix everything until fully combined. Our batter is ready. Let's set it aside and make our onion sauce. See you guys. Let's put the onion into the hot oil. Add some tomato paste. Then add some seasoning. I'm using the same seasoning. Add some, mix it all together. Then add some spicy sauce that I made home, because usually akara is eaten with something spicy. And guys, you can try it home and let me know on the comment. It's a recipe that you will love. And right now the onion sauce is ready, so let's fry our akara. Once the oil is hot, scoop your batter into the oil, and you can use your hand or a spoon like I'm doing right now, and let it fry until golden brown. And make sure both sides are fully cooked evenly. Yeah, see the texture? You can have it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, or for snacks. And you can eat it with bread or just like this, like dip it in the sauce. Now I'm let it drain before serving. And guys, you know, that's it. You're ready to enjoy. This is our crispy homemade akara. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.